Okay, good morning, student, and thank you very much for sharing your time on Sunday holiday, especially with me. So it is my pleasure to share my experience, my ideas, my views with you. So, especially for 10th standard student, generally I give the message that bacha, you are not born to read the history to repeat the history. You are born to create the history. And second, my best slogan is जीतना है तो जीद करो. Okay, so in today's lecture, I have divided into three parts. First part, there are lots of confusion for deduction of the syllabus. So in algebra, how much part is deducted, that I will explain first 5 minutes. Then 10 minutes I will explain time management, marks management, paper style, and then very selective examples which they have asked again and again. And in that you can show your something different idea without rough work, how to reduce the rough work, and how to get the accurate answer. So let's begin with the reduction of the syllabus. Two chapters fully deducted. That is chapter number 4, financial planning, 100% omitted. Financial planning chapter number 4. Statistic chapter number 6, 100% deducted. So out of 6, 2 chapters totally deducted. Now internal reduction part that also I am giving. Page number 3, exercise number 2. Page number 4, 1.1, question number 1, and 1.1, question number 2, which are word problem and related to the reduced part. Page number 17, 18, totally deducted. Page number 19, 1.4, that is a word problem. All example are deducted. Problem set 1, question number 6, deducted. That is related to chapter number 1. Now chapter number 2. Page number 38, total cancel. All example practice set 2.3 deducted. Page number 42, full cancel. Completing square method, that topic and the question related to completing square method from exercise, from problem set are also cancelled. Sorry. Page number 42, totally cancel. Perfect square method, that topic is cancelled, related to that questions which are in the exercise, which are questions in the problem set, cancel. And question number 1 of 2.5, that is also cancelled. Question number 5 and 6 from 2.5, cancelled. Page number 53, sub question 6, problem set 2, question number 6, that is also cancelled. In page number 54, question number 10 in the problem set. So major part, that is financial planning, statistic, that two main chapter are omitted, full chapter. Internal, perfect square method, full topic is cancelled. To find the solution of quadratic equation is there, but from the solution, from the root to find the equation, means that alpha, beta, that all formula that is cancelled. These 4 points you have to keep in mind, and forget about rest of, because these are very minor things. Okay, so 2 chapters and 2 main points, that formation of equation from the roots and completing square method. This four point, just remember, forget about rest of the part. Now paper pattern for algebra and geometry will be exactly the same. They will form the paper of 60 mark with option. And in algebra, 2 chapters are cancelled. Out of 6, so only 4 chapters are remain. So per chapter, 15 marks. Okay, so don't go for the mark distribution as per old index. Now there are only 4 chapters, 60 mark. So on an average, 15 marks per chapter. Now question number A, question number 1, A and B, both are of 4 marks. A part 4 question, that is only MCQ. 4 options are given. You have not to select the answer. You have to select the number, means A, B, C, D. Okay. For example, question number 1A, in first A, in second D, like that. Don't write answer. Just indicate the number from ABCD. Then 4 questions which are very simple. 1 mark question, 1 sentence. Sometimes they will ask 1 number, 1 equation. Okay, if length is L, breadth is B, what is the area? So area is equal to L into B. What is the parameter? 2 in bracket L plus B. Write the equation for finding the distance of a point from the origin. So you will write R square is equal to X square plus Y square. So one thing you have to write, 1 mark. So that is question number 1B. Correct, for 4 marks. Question number 2A. They will ask 3 questions. You have to attempt 2 questions of 2 marks. 2 to the 4. One option. Question number 2B. Out of 5, 4 problem of 2 marks. Again 8 marks. Now here activity question. Only you have to fill up which are the blank part. Full solution is given. For 3 marks, you will get 6 fill in the blank. For 2 marks activity, you will get 4 fill in the blanks. All are of half marks. So out of 2, you have to select 1 of 3 marks. Here 4 problem will be given. You have to solve any 2 problem. 3 marks, 3 to the 6. Here again activity. No, sorry. Here problem number, question number 4. Out of 3 questions, 2 you have to solve of 4 marks. So 8 marks. And question number 5. Out of 2 problem, you have to solve 1 of 3 marks. So these are the marks compulsory. These are the marks with option. Now your paper will be of 2 hours. 2 hours means 120 minutes. So 120 minutes, how you will utilize? So for question number 1, A, B, total 10 minutes you can take. That is more than enough. Because in that you have to write just 10 word or number. That's it. So 10 minutes for first question. For second question, 30 minutes. For these 2 questions, you can take 10 minutes. For these 4 questions, you can take 20 minutes. Means per question, you are getting 5 minutes. That is also more than enough. And here only 1 problem you have to solve. But it is an activity, but you have to write all the things. So you need to copy all the things. So 10 marks. Then again 2 problem you have to solve. 1 option also you can do within 20 minutes. Then question number 4. 2 question out of 3. Again, you will get per problem 10 minutes, but you will not utilize per question per one solution 10 minutes. So with one option, you can complete within 20 minutes. And last, there are 2 problems. Attempt any one which you know very well, in which you have very good confidence. Solve it within 10 minutes. So everywhere you will find excess time. With one option you can complete within this much minute, so that is 100 minute. And at the end 20 minute, every question number, sub question number, problem number, and at the end make a box for the answer. Check the unit, especially in word problem. Scholar students are also considering, let the age of father be x, age of son be y. They will form the equation, they will solve the equation, and they will write x is equal to this, y is equal to this. So don't forget what we have considered, that again you have to decode. The age of father is equal to x is equal to 42 years, like that. So with unit, and in simultaneous equation and in quadratic equation, whatever the solution you are getting now, that you can resubstitute in any equation. So both the side will balance. So in the exam only you can check that your answers are correct or wrong. Okay, so paper pattern, mark distribution, reduction syllabus. Now which are very important, and where you can write in a different way, and where you can show your intelligence with less work, with less rough work. That example we will go through. After 18 years of moderator experience, one I have experienced that in algebra there are lots of questions in one problem. Students are doing maximum rough work. Maximum means which are required now, compared to that they are writing 4 times in rough work. And that question is solve simultaneous equation by graph. Let me tell you the mark distribution. Solve by graphic method, 3 mark. How we correct this question? If one correct line, 1 mark. If second correct line, 2nd mark. 1 more mark, means second. 1 correct line, 1 mark. Second correct line, maybe always both line may be not correct, but if one line is correct, you will get 1 line. Second line is correct, again 1 mark. Then here you have to indicate, round it, write whatever the answer. For example, it is -1, 2. Here it is half mark. And where you have attempt, wherever you have done the table or rough work, there also you will write the point of intersection P is equal to -1, 2, where you have indicated the answer. So here also half mark. So this and this total 3 mark. So for value substitution, for the table method, whatever you are doing backside the graph, full graph you are utilizing for this rough work. For that you will not get mark. See the mark, where you will get the mark. So how to minimize your rough work here? This is very good method. Some questions I have selected. For example, it is 2x minus y is equal to 4. So 2x minus 4 is equal to y. So x, y, x, y. One more example, x minus 2y is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 plus 2y. Again x, y, x. Third example, I have taken 3x plus 4y, 3x minus 4y is equal to 12. Dear student, listen carefully. Try to convert the equation in the form of x or y. This you have converted in the form of y. So you have to consider x as 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. That is enough. This equation is in the form of x. So consider this 0, 1, 2, 3. Correct. Now in any equation to substitute 0, it is very easy. Orally you can do. So x is equal to 0. So y is equal to minus 4. Don't do rougher. There is no mark for that. Now, if I will write 1, 2 ones are 2 minus 4, that is minus 2. How much is the difference? 2. 2 increase. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 2, 0, 2. Rest of automatically you will get. Substitute first time 0, substitute second time 1, find out the difference. It may be increasing, it may be decreasing. You will get the sequence. So that is 0 minus 4, that is 1 minus 2, and that is 0, 2, 3, 2. Here I have taken 0. 0 means 3 you will get. 2 ones are 2 plus 3, 5. So here also gave 2, 5, 7, 9. So it is 3, 0, 5, 1, 7, 1, 9, 3. So when you can convert? And the third method, when? 7, 2. When simultaneous equation, standard equation is ax plus by is equal to c. When a and b are the factor of c, when a and b are the factor of c, at that time it is very easy. P point, Q point. Take x is equal to 0, take y is equal to 0. Because for one line we need minimum 2 points. So one time we will take x is equal to 0, one time we will take y is equal to 0. Suppose x is equal to 0, 4y minus 4y is equal to 12. So y is equal to minus 3. Y is equal to 0. So 3x is equal to 12. X is equal to 4. When a and b are the factor of c, at that time you can adopt this method. Now very easy, you will get the line 0 minus 3, 1, 2, 3. This is 0 minus 3. 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4, 0. Now join this. This is 3 and this is 3x plus 4y is equal to. So by this way, you can reduce your rough work. You will get accuracy, because here when you will consider in series, your next answer also will be in the series. Maybe sometimes 0.5 increasing, decreasing. Maybe sometime 1.5 increasing, decreasing. Okay, like that. So this is the best method to reduce your rough work. There are no mark for that what you are writing backside the graph. Next, my favorite sum, Kramer rule. That is a compulsory one question in the algebra paper. Do by Kramer rule. So in that you need a set of dx, dy. So 4 plus 4 plus 4. Out of that 12 position, if any one position is wrong, your full answer will be wrong. You will not get x correct, you will not get y correct. So for that, one method is given in the textbook by formula. Two more method I am introducing. With that challenge, that method you will not find in any digest of India, not in Maharashtra. Okay. So I am selecting one example. 6x minus 4y is equal to minus 12. 8x minus 3y is equal to minus 2. First, the equation should be in the form of ax plus by is equal to c. Then you know that a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. Just copy. Correct. Then one spelling I am giving you. Ramana. From these three, new one word you can form Marana. Ramana Marana. The name of this method itself, it is Ramana Marana. A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2 you have written, that give Ramana. Then write Marana, Ramana, Marana. Then copy. What is ma to ma? Ma to ma copy. Minus 4, minus 3. Ra to ra, 6, 8. Ana to ana. Got it? Now, your first part is D. Your second part is dx. Your third part is dy. So no need to find out by formula where to place and what to write first column, second column. Okay. And always have a habit of writing 4 bracket. D dx dy. Dx dy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now always you have to write this first, 6 minus 3. This first, minus 12, minus 3. This first, 6 minus 2. Then this, minus 4, 8. Then this, minus 4, minus 2. Then this, minus 12, 8. Product of first, minus minus plus, minus minus, minus minus plus, minus minus, minus minus plus. So 32 minus 18, 24, 28, sorry, 14. Okay, now x, only x is equal to dx by d, only y, dy by d. So that is dx 24 by 14. So 2. And this is here half, suppose half. When you are writing for xy, this bracket, and for solution set, what is the meaning of these two bracket? If you are writing this answer, you will write in simultaneous. Means for first variable, first answer, for second variable, second answer. And this is a solution set. All the answers are for only single variable. That we will write in quadratic equation. Next, this is first method is formula method, second method is Ramana Marana method. third method. Again copy like Ramana. The name of third method is heart method. See the shape and see the arrow. First is D from this to this. Second is dx from this to this. Third is this d to y, this to this. Means D is equal to this to this, means 6, 8, minus 4, minus 3. Dx, this to this. See the arrow. Dy, this to this. You will get the exactly same answer. Follow? From first to second D, third to second dx, first to third dy. Then the rest of the calculation will be the same. But for this 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12 position, it should be very accurate without a symbol mistake. If these 12 are arranged in a very particular manner without single mistake, then only you will get right answer of x and y. Otherwise both answer you will get wrong. And whatever the answer you are getting, no, substitute in any equation. Try to find out that both are balanced or not. If it is not balanced, your answer is wrong. So don't go on next question. Try to solve again. Now this is, I think it is a solve example, tabular form word problem. In simultaneous equation, in quadratic equation, by table form, you can reduce your work. You can write in a very particular manner. For example, let speed of water or boat be x km/h. Speed of water y per hour. If both are in same direction, down, it will be y. If it is in direction, close the mic, beta. Okay. Now, direction, speed, distance, time. Direction. Close the mic, bacha. Whose mic is on? Both are in same direction. Both are in opposite direction. While down it is 16 and this is 24. So time will be 16 divided by x minus y, 24 x plus y, and the total time is given 6 hours. You can try to whose mic is on, beta? Close. Mansi Jadhav, close your mic. Speed of boat is x, speed of water is y. If both are in same direction, x plus y. If both are in opposite direction, x minus y. So opposite direction, they have traveled 16 kilometers. In same direction, they have traveled 24 kilometers. So these are kilometer per hour. These are kilometer. These are hours. So the time Speed is equal to distance by time. So time is equal to distance by speed. So this is 16 by x minus y plus 24 x plus y is equal to 6. In second condition, they have given 36, 48, 13. 36, 48. Correct. Then a is equal to 1 by x plus y. You can take minus. And b is equal to 1 by x plus y. So this equation will be 16a 24b is equal to 6. So on single page you will get the answer at the bottom. Otherwise, no, on one page you will write a lot of things and at the end, no, you will only form the equation. That is the difference. Correct. So table form is the best direction. It is in opposite direction. It is in same direction. Opposite direction means what? Upward. Same direction means what? Downward. Then speed in kilometer, distance in kilometer, speed in kilometer per hour, distance in kilometer, time in hours. So that total time is given. So this plus this is equal to this. Next one, table form best example. 2-digit number. For example, number, 10th place, unit place, number, original number, interchange number. Whenever there are 2-digit number, you have to plan this. Then read condition number 1, condition number 2. Okay. So first you have to take this x, this is y, 10x plus y. 10th place into 10 plus unit place into 1. And now interchange y, x, if here 3, here 2, so it will be 32. If you change here 2, here 3, so it is 23. So this you have to prepare for 2-digit number. Now condition number 1, they have given original number plus interchanging number is equal to 143. So 10x plus y plus 10y plus x. Whose mic is on, bacha? Close it. No, I am disturbing here. 11x plus 11y is equal to 143. Divide by. So x plus y is equal to 30. So this you got. Equation number 1. Condition number 2, they have given unit place is 10. Unit place is 3 more than the 10th place. Unit place is 3 more than 10th place. So unit place is y, 3 plus x. So substitute y. What is y? So 2x plus 3 is equal to 13. 2x is equal to 10. X is equal to 5. And we know that y is equal to 3 plus x. So y is equal to 3 plus 5. So y is equal to 8. So if 10th place is x is equal to 5, unit place y is equal to 8. So the number is equal to 10th place first, then unit place. So at the end, number form you have to write not only x, not only y. Follow? સર તમે ફોન કરીને કોને માઇક બંધ કરાવે કેટલો અવાજ આવે છે हाँ, next. In quadratic equation, there are two types. माइक बंद करो बेटा. Remove whose mic is on. Remove them.
कोई जरूरत नहीं खेबड़ी.
Whose mic is on? Remove them. Now here there are two type of the sum. See what small mistake they are doing. They've given x is equal to 3 is the solution. So by substituting x is equal to 3, सर कोई परेशान એને કાઢી નાખો ને, રિમૂવ કરો ને યાર, સતત કાનમાં અવાજ આવે છે, માથું ખરાબ થઈ ગયું. Student, close the mic, बच्चा. Whose mic is on? Why you are not following my instruction again?
Students.
Equation is.
Hello, please, students.
Equation is.
Mic बंद कर दो, please. जिसका चाहे वो.
Ma'am, you remove them. Don't
Hello?
give the instruction. Already 10 times I have spoken. X is equal to 3.
आप लोग को
You deduct them.
हैंड रेज करके पूछने का प्लीज म्यूट कर दो. Please, I request you all.
No, you remove. So 30 minus 3, 27. 27 comes this side. So k is equal to 27 by 9. So k is equal to 3. Now see the difference. What is the difference in this equation and this problem and next problem? 2m square minus 5m is equal to 0. Find m is equal to 2 is root or not. I have selected two questions. In one question, when it is given that it is a root. In second question, they are asking it is a root or not. So when it is a root, directly you can use left hand side, left side, right side, both. But when they are asking that it is a root or not, so only left hand side. If you will start this equation, if you will start this solution with both the sides, you will get 0. We check that from where you have started. When it is given root, take both the sides. When you have to check, don't take both the sides. First statement we have written is equal to 0. 0 mark. No substitution mark, because you are not following how it is equal. When it is equal, then it is a solution. If it is not equal, it is not a solution. So substituting x is equal to 2. Okay, 2 to the 4 to the 8 minus 10 is equal to minus 2. Is not equal to 0, is not equal to right hand side. You follow these last part are very important. If you are not following, you will not get the marks. You are getting 0, you are getting minus 2. It is not equal to 0. Then you can write it is not equal to right hand side. Therefore, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore, m is equal to 2 is not a root of equation. If it is equal, here equal, here equal, it is a root. If it is not equal, then not a root. Like that. So Next question. This is most IMP question. Speed of boat is 12 km. Speed of water is x kilometer. If both are in same direction, 12 plus x kilometer. If both are in opposite direction, 12 minus x kilometer. And the distance traveled, that is 36 kilometers. This is very important question. So direction, speed, distance, time. Direction, same direction means downward, upward, opposite direction. 12 plus x, 12 minus x. Going 36 kilometer, coming 36 kilometer. So 36 divided by 12 plus x, 36 divided by 12 minus x, and the time, total time, it is given 8 hours. Now, dear friends, try to understand my calculation. Speed of boat is 12, speed of water is unknown, that we have to find, that is x. When both are in same direction, 12 plus x. When both are in opposite direction, 12 minus x. So direction you have to mention, speed plus and minus, 36 going, 36 coming, kilometer. So distance divided by speed, time. Distance divided by speed, time. So one time it will take more time, second time it will take less time, but the overall time, total time taken is 8 kilometer. Sorry, 8 hours. Now, from here, 36, 12 plus x, 36, 12 minus x. Now, how to calculate this? There are 3 denominator. So for this product of rest of it is a LCM. For this product of rest of 2 is LCM. Product of this rest of 2 is LCM. Whatever the LCM I have written, then upper calculation. This will multiply by the upper number. 36, 12 minus x plus 36, 12 plus x is equal to 8, 12 plus x, 12 minus x. Up to this, your calculation, my calculation are equal. Now see the twist. Without any rough calculation, without any single calculation, I will get the answer. The speed of water currently is 6 km. Now see. This into this, 36 12s are 36x. 36 12s are 36x. A plus b, a minus b means a square minus b square. 12 square is 144, x square is x square. Now, this and this will cancel. This and this will be double. So 2 into 12 into 36. This goes down. Half. It is 108. It is 144 minus x square. X square is equal to 144 minus 108, 36. Then you have to mention speed cannot be negative. Therefore, speed of water is equal to 6 km per. See the methodology of the calculation. That is very important. With that, you can leave the very good, brilliant impression on your examiner, on your moderator. So do smart, intelligent calculation. Don't go for this quadratic equation. Otherwise, no, you have to make the factor and all the things. So without factor, it is possible. Now one more example that is also very important question. M minus 12 x square to m minus 12 x plus 12 is equal to 0. Roots are real and equal. It is given. So find m. Correct. So ax square bx plus c is equal to 0. Compare with that. A is equal to what? B is equal to m minus 12. C is equal to 12. So, see, these are the constant step when this is given that you have to write without considering the question. Roots are real and equal first, then therefore discriminant is 0, therefore b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, therefore b square is equal to 4ac. So 1 2 3 4, this you have to write constant for any equation, for any questions, for any type of the sum, but it should be real and equal. 1 2 3 4 constant, then substitute b square 2 m minus 12 4 a c. So this is 2 to the 4. This I will write 2 times so 4 will cancel. 1 this also will cancel. M minus 12 C is 2. C is 2. In quadratic equation, when one answer is this 14, second answer you are not getting, at that time it is considered that it is 0. So if it is 0, then only it will be also possible. So m is equal to 14. So see, very easily you are getting the answer without less with less rough work. Now one more very important question, that two-digit numbers which are divisible by 4, find out the total sum. So two-digit numbers are 10, 11, 12 up to 99. Then divisible by 4, that is 12, 16, 20, 98, 94. Correct. We have to find out the sum of all number of 2 digits which are divisible by 4. So as per that, you will get first number is 12. Difference is 16 minus 12 is equal to 4. And last number. Dear student, remember that whenever you have to find n, never open the bracket. Without opening the bracket, you will get the answer. Very systematically, every time you have to do the same calculation. So n is question. When n is question, don't open the bracket. So Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Tn is given 98 is equal to a 12 plus n we don't know, d is 4. So first this minus systematical, don't open the bracket. So 6 8 is equal to n minus 1 4. Then 86 by 4 n minus 1. 98, is it correct? 100 less 4, sorry. So it will be 96 92. It was my mistake, sorry. So it is 21 n minus 1. So this comes this side. So n is equal to 22 now. So then we have to find out total. N 22 by 2 2a plus 22 minus 1 4. So this is 11 24 11 4 11 24 plus 44 68 into 11 6 8 748. Overall total is 748. So it is 84. Sorry. One eight eight one. So it is 1188. Correct. Answer is correct. 1188. There are one more problem. In AP, when we have to consider 3 numbers, 4 numbers, 5 numbers, always you can do A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D. If they will ask for 3 number, you take this. If they will ask for 4 number, you take this. If they'll ask for 5, because in the textbook they have given for 3 number different consider number, 4 number different consider number, 5 number different consider. So for 3, whatever they have given, no, or for 4 number, whatever they have given, no, you can take this in sequence. Then only you will get the same answer. Clear? So no need to remember separate for 4 number, 4 consecutive of AP. Now very interesting sum. Total is 3300. Very important question. When number is 55 and T28 we have to find. So sometime we no need to find A, D and separately. Equation to equation, in this equation and in next equation, that these both example, we will learn the same thing. See, Sn means what? n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. So S 55 is equal to 55 to 2a plus 55 minus 1 d. So this is given 3300. So this is 55 by 3 by 2, 2a plus 54d. So from here I will take 2 common. So it is a plus 27d. So this will cancel, and this is 3300. So 3300 divided by 55 is equal to a plus 27d. 11 5s are 11, 3s are 60s are. Now we want Tn. We want T28. So a plus 27d. So that we got the answer. So without finding a and d, by direct substitution method, we can get this. After this very important problem I am going to solve, only you have to write in a very sequence, in a rhythmic way. That is very important. It is given MTM is equal to NTN. Therefore, Tm plus n is equal to 0. This we have to prove. MTM is equal to NTN. And we have to prove this. Tm plus n is equal to 0. First of all, Tm is equal to a plus m minus 1d, and Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d. In formula, for m I have substituted m, for n I have substituted n. Now multiply by m, so it is MTM is equal to am plus m minus 1 dm. NTN an plus n minus 1 nd. Then left side they have given equal. MTM is equal to NTN. So what is the answer of this? This is AM plus m minus 1 MD is equal to AN plus n minus 1 ND. Now simply open the bracket. AM plus this into this, m square minus d minus md, an plus n square d minus nd. Now take equal terms together. Am minus an plus m square d minus n square d minus md plus nd is equal to 0. All the terms from left to right. Now make a pair of same term. Here I will take only a, m minus n. Here d common, m square minus n square, so m plus 1, m plus n, m minus n. From here minus d is common, so m minus n is equal to 0. So m minus n, m minus n, m minus n, divide from both the sides, so it will omitted. So a plus d m plus n minus d into 1 for safety you can write. Now D only common. A plus D m plus n minus 1 is equal to 0. So this much we got. Now we have to find out Tm plus n. Tm plus n is equal to A plus m plus n minus 1 D, and this much is equal to 0. Already we have proved from first. See, if you will write very systematic, no, automatically you will get the answer. No need to manipulate anything, no need to mug up. Students are wired in this all the sequence and all that. So it is not good.
सर 8 बार और बताओ ना.
हाँ. Yes, yes. This is the question. MTM is equal to NTN. It is given. So find out T m plus n is equal to 0. Now Tm is equal to A plus m. Formula में mm replace. Formula nn replace. Now both the side multiply by m, multiply by m, multiply by m, multiply by n, multiply by n, multiply by n. Now left side is equal to, then right side also is it equal? It is equal. Then open the bracket. This into this, this into this. This same, this into this, this into this. Now same, AA same. D square with this. D with 1 power here this. So I have transferred these three this side. So plus minus, plus minus, minus plus. Here I have taken A common, so m minus n. Here I have taken D common, so this A plus B m minus B. Here I have taken D common, m minus n. Then all full equation divided by m minus n. So it will omit. So A, D, m plus n, D into 1. Now I have taken D common, so m plus n minus 1. Correct? So then I want T m plus n is equal to A, m plus n minus 1 D. So full on value already I got 0. So that I have to prove 0. So that I have proved. Okay. So now 2-3 sample space from this I want to explain probability. Very, very, very important. Three example of this probability I want to introduce. How to write, how to get the answer. For one coin you know how to write, that is H and T. For two coin also you know HH, TT, HT, TH. For three coin. For three coin, there is a relation between the number of sample space and the number of coin. Remember that at the end I am explaining. So for three coin, 3T,
Yes, sir.
3H,
Head, tail, head.
close the mic. Then here first T, then second T, then third T. First same, second same, third same. Now opposite you have to fill. So no need to mug up. Again I am explaining the same. Write TTT, then first position T, second position T, third position T, then all blank part fill with opposite. H, H, H. First H, second H, third H. Rest of full blank part by opposite. Now coin and sample space. One coin, 1 and 2. Two coin, 1, 2, 3, 4. Three coin, 8. Four coin, 16. Five coin, 32. What is the relation? What is the relation? If one coin, 2 raised to 1. If two coin, 2 raised to 2. If three coin, 2 raised to 3. If four coin, 2 raised to 4. If five coin, 2 raised to 5. So these are 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 5. This is the correlation between the number of coin and number of sample space. Now, if it is given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, how, suppose it is 5 up to 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From that, we have to form 2-digit number. How to form 2-digit number? In 2-digit number 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5 will not come. So, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, I'll write 1, 4, 5 times. 2, 4, 5 times. 3 also 5 times. Correct. Now omit this. Repetition also not allowed. So 0, 1 is not there. 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2 not allowed. 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3 not allowed. 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 not allowed. 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 not allowed. So 5 is a 25. Total 25. Now, very interesting topic and a lengthy of probability. Now, very interesting part of probability. Two dice. From one dice, it is very easy to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Two dice means 36 sample space. And my dear friends, when there are 2 marks question, no, they will ask A and B. 2 sample space you have to find, 2 probability you have to find. If 3 marks question, 3 probability you have to find, 3 sample space you have to write. So half mark, and there is no mark for overall sample space. So for 2 dice you will find out 36 sample space, and there is no marks for that 36 sample space. So why to waste so much time on this? That 36 sample space. In a dice, there are 36 sample space pair you have to write. So how to write? In a very easy way. Write 6 times 1, 1, 1. Write 6 times 2, 2, 2. Three, 3, 3. 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6. Spiral up and down, up and down, up and down. Again spiral, but not up and down from left and right. Within 36 seconds, you will write 36 sample space pair Dear student, remember this. Within 36 seconds, you can write 36 pair. So 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6. Then is 1 1 2 2 3 4 4 5 5 6 6. Now for two dice, whatever the pair you will find in this. For example, suppose these are in the front of you. It is 2 2. So 2 2 is here. Now I will turn this. I will turn this. See this 4 and 3. So 4 and 3. Now I will turn this. Now I will turn this. Whatever the answer in front of you, that is 1 and 4, 4 and 1, 1 and 4, 4 and 1. Correct. So any pair, that is max to max 36 pair. And my dear student, this is die, but that is on a mathematical formula. On a cube, there are six areas, six square. On 6 square, anywhere they cannot write any number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you will purchase 5 dice from 5 different shop, you will get color different, you will get size different, but on the same formula it is formed. What is the formula? That opposite, always it is 7. Suppose here it is 1, so here it will be 6. Suppose here it is 3, so backside it is 4. Suppose upside is 5, so downside is 2. So always opposite pair of the dice, if it is not total 7, that die it is not can be used in any competition. Follow? Now come to the point that different type of the question they will ask on the base of 2 dice question. If all are the same number, 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6. So in this there are 36 sample space. This 6 remove, minus 6. So how much remain? 30. Make it half up. So these are 15, these are 15. Now, dear student, see in this 15 number, first digit is less, second digit is bigger. When first digit is small, second digit is bigger, you write this. If you have written by my method, you write this 15 numbers. In upper type here, first digit is less, second is more. First digit is more, second is less. So this. Correct. Now one very good idea. Minimum total is 12. 2, maximum is 12. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are the total. Without using, without observing, without referring this table, how to find out the total number? Minimum number 1 plus 1, 2. Maximum number is 6 plus 6, 12. So how to find out this number without observing this? So you make this into 2 groups. Up to 6, more than 6. This method is also not given in any textbook of Maharashtra or in the digest. Listen this. This is very good example. So up to 6 and more than 6. Up to 6, 1 plus something, 1 plus something, 1 plus something. More than 6, 6 plus something, 6 plus something, 6 plus something, 6 plus something, 6 plus something. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3, 1 plus 4, 1 plus 5. 6 plus 1, 6 plus 2, 6 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 6 plus 5, 6 plus 6. First I have written the total. Second I have written the first pair. Now I will write the rest of the pair. Suppose 8 is 6 plus 2 is 8. How to find the rest? I have not referred this. Now how to find out the rest of the total? 2 and 6, no? So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now these are the total of 8. This is 6 and 1. How to write? How to find 7 total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From that number you have to return 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 2, 1. 6, 3. 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 5, 6, 6, 5. So these are the triangles. So the number of pair is 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair, 5 pair, 6 pair, 5 pair, 4 pair, 3 pair, 2 pair, 1 pair, and again total 36 pair. You got this? Again, I am explaining how to write this 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. Then horizontal 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Now exactly middle diagonal part, that 6 is with same unit. Lower triangle is 15 numbers with first digit is less, second digit is more. Upper first digit is more, second digit is less. And total minimum total will get 2, maximum will 12. Make it in two part, up to 6, more than 6, up to 6, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus, more than 6, 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus. Suppose it is 62. So from 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you will get all the pair. No need to find out. For example, again I am telling. Suppose I want 10 total. 10 means it is more than 6. So 6 plus something, 6 and 4. So 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. Suppose it is 6 only. So 1 plus 5 is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So uta pulta you have to write the number and you will get the total. In 3 coin, I have also taught you the different method. Means you will not miss any one pair. So like this, whatever the sums today I have introduced, these are very important. In that you should have to be good hand, and you have to do on that base how to minimize the total, how to minimize the rough work. And okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask, and do lots of hard work. There is no shortcut, no any other alternative. Still around 58 days remain. So within that, with a 0 you can start and you can achieve very good marks. Paper will be easy. There are lots of reduction part is also there. Paper also they will correct linearly because of this pandemic, and students are suffering from all the things. They have not attended the practical lectures in the classroom. So government will consider, teacher also will consider, but that doesn't mean that you will not work. You have to work hard, try your best of best, and if they will pass maximum number of the students, for the toppers, the competition will increase, and it is difficult to get your choice college within the difference of 1 or 2 marks. So each and every people, those who are a slow learner, still there are 2 months, full on March, full on April. You can do your best, try your best to improve your result. And I have given okay, जीतना है तो जिद करो. You are not born to read the history, repeat the history. You are born to create this. Thank you very much.